Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to give you a really quick tip on how to remove fine surface rust from objects before the rust is getting too bad without damaging your paint and without really any effort at all. The example is going to be the toolbox out of our work truck revival project. And as you can see, this thing isn't really worthy of a full restoration, but I do want it to look a little bit better without really putting too much time or effort into it. And to be completely honest with you guys, the reason I want it to look better is so that I can sell it for a little bit more. I figure after this quick tip, instead of selling it for 50 bucks, I could probably easily get 100 bucks out of it. So let me show you how it's done. So this is a super easy tip, and I'm surprised that more people don't know about it, but it's really common sense. All you need is a spray bottle with normal tap water in it and some quadruple zero superfine steel wool. And you guessed it, all we're gonna do is spray this down and then use our steel wool to remove the surface rust while leaving the paint on. You want to make sure you use the fine steel wool so you don't damage the paint. And basically we're just going to do that to the entire toolbox, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So I'm sitting here editing this video this morning, and it just popped in my head that I'm going to get a lot of nasty comments about, you can't use steel wool on paint, you're going to ruin the paint. Well, as I have said and will say many times in this video, this is not a pro tip. You shouldn't go and start an auto body shop with this tip. This is simply for older pieces that you might not really care about, like this toolbox. Don't really care about it, just want it to look a little better. Or in this case, I'm about ready to sell it and I want to get a little bit more money for it. This tip can also work on old vehicles if you just want to touch them up a little bit without doing any like serious restoration. It's not a permanent fix, of course, but it does look a little bit better for the time being. Like I said, it's not permanent or perfect, but it is an easy way to help make things look a little bit better. And I'm pretty confident that I can sell this toolbox for a little bit more now than I could have when it was covered in a bunch of surface rust. So if you like this tip, please let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, please like it and share it. And I will see you guys in the next video.